Hello there. I believe your name is pronounced Agnieska. I could be saying it right. I could be saying it wrong. The fact is, my name is not how you pronounce it or how you read it, but it's how you pronounce it in Spanish, right? So a lot of people tend to think my name is Jamie or Jaime, right? But actually, my name is Jaime, right? Jaime. But anyways, I saw your message with the alignment constraint kind of thing, right? Um, and there's a better way, I think, to do this. I know Valera is trying to teach you guys the process of using scripts, but I don't think it's not necessary that you guys get into that right away. The align script. There's another way. Maya has an actual icon that allows you to just click it and does it for you, right? So let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to turn some stuff off, just make some room. Okay. So if I start with, let's say, a box and a cube or a sphere, right? I'm going to make this full screen, right? I'm going to move the sphere just randomly. I'm going to move this guy randomly, right? So the sphere is like underneath the grid, right? I'm going to put this guy up here, right? So if we want to do the alignment, instead of writing a script, you can do it this way. I want to actually align the sphere to the cube. So the way you do it is you select the object you want to align to first, which is the sphere. Hold shift and then hit the box or the cube, right? So you're telling Maya that you want to take this and align it in a specific way, right? So now we're going to go to modify, and here it is, alignment tool. Okay, so when you I'm tired, man. Anyways, when you press it, you're going to get these iconic elements that are all over the object, right? The box. But there's another huge box that is sort of showing us from the sphere to the cube, right? Now if I do this, you see the icons just disappear and appear in different positions, right? So if I want to move this and align it, I'm going to look for the middle tabs. See, there's a middle here and a middle tab here. So you want to align it from the middle of the box. So if you click this, boom, now the sphere aligns itself that way. So now I'm going to press this. And now it's pretty much almost there. And now if I arc rotate the view, I get another button that's right here. Now it's right in the middle, right? And it's easy, right? I find this to be a lot easier than using, of course, the scripts in this case, right? So the scripts are still useful for many things, but I think it's not necessary to know that right away, right? So don't sweat it. Just do what I just did, and you got it, right? So just practice it and get the idea how it works, and that's it. I use it a lot, especially when I'm creating objects that I need to align them precise, right? So instead of copying numbers, because you see it's based on the pivot points, right? The pivot point here should be the same thing when I click on the cube. The cube should have somewhat the same numbers, except for the scale, because I scale the sphere a bit, but it should be the same on the movement and the rotation as well for both of them, right? So yeah, okay, and that's pretty much it. So now if I turn on the outliner, I can then take the sphere and make it into, and then select the cube in this option window. Hit the letter P as for Peter. And now look at this. We created a parent to child relationship. The cube is that of the sphere, and the sphere is a child of the cube, right? So wherever the cube goes, right, and this is pretty cool. So I'm going to just select the cube, and the sphere follows, right? But if I select the sphere and I move it, that's what happens, right? So now select the cube again, and it moves both of them, right? So it's easy, right? If you want to not have the relationship anymore, then you have to learn to use the middle mouse button. So just move it and click on the actual sphere and move it down, holding the middle mouse button, right? And there we go. Now it's out. No longer is in hierarchy, and now it's independent once more, right? So there you go. So that's all. Hopefully this will help you. And that's it. So any questions, just you know what to do. Okay. See you then.